Are you looking to replace the battery in the 2019 Audi Q8 key fob? Stay tuned, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. This method replaces the key fob battery in the A3, A4, A5, A6, Q3, Q5, and Q7 as well. The first thing we want to do is click the silver button on the back to release the key portion of the key fob. Now, half of the latch that releases the back portion of the Audi key fob is exposed, as you see here, in this already open Audi key fob. Next, we need to use our key to push at an angle on the latch to push it back and also up. It is right behind the silver button that releases the key from the key fob. Once we have it open, we see that it is a CR2032 battery that is exposed. Take this old battery out of the Audi Q8 key fob and replace it with a new CR2032 battery. Replace the back portion of the key fob, aligning the grooves, and that's it. I'd love to know your story below replacing your battery on your Audi Q8 key fob. Let me know in the comments below. Please like and subscribe if you find this video helpful.